नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल स्टडी एंड टेक्नोट में। चलिए आज कंप्यूटर के जितने भी फुल फॉर्म होते हैं वो हम सारे के सारे कवर करेंगे इस वीडियो में। इस वीडियो में से आपके कम से कम 2 से 5 क्वेश्चन आपके एग्ज़ाम में आएंगे ही आएंगे, तो इनको अच्छे से आप कवर करके ज़रूर एग्ज़ाम में जाएं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ADC stand for analog to digital converter Apple display connector. ALU stand for arithmetic logic unit. AMD advanced micro device. AMD stand for advanced micro device. AAC stand for advanced audio coding. Advanced audio coding. ABI stand for application binary interface. Application binary interface. AHA accelerated hub architecture. Accelerated hub architecture. AD stand for active directory. ATA stand for advanced technology attachment. Advanced technology attachment. API stand for application programming interface. Application programming interface. AVC stand for advanced video coding. AVC stand for advanced video coding. AVI stand for audio video interleaved. Audio video interleaved. Algol stand for algorithm language. Algol stand for algorithm language. AJX stand for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. ABR stand for available bit rate. Available bit rate. AWT stand for abstract window toolkit. Abstract window toolkit. ARPANET stand for advanced research project agency network. ARPANET stand for advanced research project agency network. ASCII stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ATM stand for asynchronous transfer mode. Asynchronous transfer mode. AMR stand for audio modernizer. Audio modernizer. APCI stand for application layer protocol information. Application layer protocol control information. ASP stand for application service provider और active server pages. ये दोनों इसकी फुल फॉर्म होती हैं। एक्टिव सर्वर पेजेस भी होती है और एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोवाइडर भी होता है। AST स्टैंड फॉर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सिंटैक्स ट्री. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सिंटैक्स ट्री. बेसिक स्टैंड फॉर बिगिनर ऑल पर्पज सिंबॉलिक इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड. बेसिक स्टैंड फॉर बिगिनर ऑल पर्पज सिंबॉलिक इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड. BAL stand for basic assembly language. Basic assembly language. BER stand for bit error rate. BER stand for bit error rate. BFD stand for binary file descriptor. Binary file descriptor. BGP stand for border gateway protocol. Border gateway protocol. BIDI stand for bidirectional. Bidirectional. BIN stand for binary. BW stand for bandwidth. BIT stand for a binary digit. BLOB stand for binary large object. Binary large object. BINAC stand for binary automatic computer. Binary automatic computer. BCD stand for binary coded decimal. BCD stand for binary coded decimal. BMP stand for basic multilingual plain. Basic multilingual plane. BT stand for bit torrent और ब्लूटूथ, बिट टोरेंट भी बोलते हैं और ब्लूटूथ भी कहते हैं। BIOS बायस स्टैंड फॉर बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम। BPS स्टैंड फॉर बिट्स पर सेकेंड। CSI stand for common system interface। CSV stand for comma separated value। CTCP stand for client to client protocol। CAI stand for computer aided instruction। CAQA stand for computer aided quality assurance। CC stand for C compiler, carbon copy। CAD stand for computer aided design। CGA stand for color graphic array। CDR stand for compact disc recordable। CD-ROM stand for compact disc read only memory। CTS stand for clear to send। CUA common user access। CNC stand for computer numerical control। COBOL stand for common business oriented language। CAE stand for computer aided engineering। CD stand for compact disk or change directory। CDMA stand for code division multiple access। CDRW stand for compact disk rewrite table। CG stand for computer graphics। CIFS stand for common internet file system। CIM stand for common information model। CGI stand for common gateway interface। और computer generated imagery। CMOS stand for complementary metal oxide semiconductor। stand for complementary metal oxide semiconductor। CLI stand for command line interface। CRS stand for computer reservation system। CTR stand for cathode ray tube। CTL stand for computer tree logic। CPU stand for central process unit। DAP stand for direct access protocol। DFS distributed file system। DBA stand for database administration। DAT digital audio tape। DB stand for database। DOS disk operating system। DPI dots per inch। DVD digital versatile disk or digital video disk। DMA direct memory access। DOS PMI disk operating system protected mode interface। DLL dynamic link library। DLP digital light processing। DCC direct client to client। DDR double data rate। DES data encryption standard, DES data encryption standard, DFD data flow diagram, DFD data flow diagram, DAO data access object, DAO data access objects, DBMS database management system, DBS database management system, DHTML dynamic hypertext markup language, DHTML dynamic hypertext markup language, DIVX stand for digital video express, digital video express, DVE digital video effects, DVE digital video effects, DNS domain name system, DNS domain name system, DVR digital video recorder, DVR digital video recorder, DVDR digital versatile disc recordable, digital versatile disc recordable, DBSN database source name, DBSN database source name, DTE data terminal equipment, DTE data terminal equipment, DTR data terminal ready, DTR data terminal ready, DSL digital subscriber line domain specific language, DSL digital subscriber line or domain specific language, DVD RW digital versatile disk rewritable, digital versatile disk rewritable, DVI digital visual interface, DVI digital visual interface, DVD ROM digital versatile disk read only memory, digital versatile disk read only memory, EOM end of message, EPROM erasable programmable read only memory, erasable programmable read only memory, EID electronic ID card, ECU extended Unix code, EEPROM electronically erasable programmable read only memory, EEPROM electronically erasable programmable read only memory, ENIAC electronic numerical integrator and computer, electronic numerical integrator and computer, EOF end of file, EOF stand for end of file, EOL end of line, EST electrostatic discharge, EXE executable, EBCDIC extended binary coded decimal interchange, extended binary coded decimal interchange, EIGRP enhanced interior gateway routing protocol, EIGRP enhanced interior gateway routing protocol, ELF executable and linkable format, ELF executable and linkable format, ELM electronic mail, FS file system, FCS frame check sequence, FPU floating point unit, FDD floppy disk drive, FDMA frequency division multiplexes, FIFO first in first out, FSB front side bus, FSB stand for front side bus, FTP file transfer protocol, FXP file exchange protocol, FHS file system hierarchy standard, FAT file allocation table, FAT stand for file allocation table, FAQ frequently asked question, FDC floppy disk controller, GIGO stand for garbage in garbage out, GPL general public license, GCR stand for group code recording, GPU graphic processing unit, GUI graphical user interface, GB gigabyte, GDI graphics device interface, GIF graphic interchange format, GB gigabit, GPRS general packet radio service, HAL hardware abstraction layer, HTX hyper transport expansion, transport expansion. HURD. HURD stand for hired of Unix replacing daemons. Hired of Unix replacing daemons. HVD stand for holographic versatile disk. Holographic versatile disk. SZ HTM hierarchical temporal memory. Hierarchical temporal memory. HTML hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. HCI human computer interaction. HID human interface device. HIG human interface guideline. HP stand for Hewlett Packard. HD DVD high definition DVD. HDL hardware description language. HHD hybrid hard drive. HTTP stand for hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPD stand for hypertext transfer protocol daemons. Hypertext transfer protocol daemon. SPFS stand for high performance file system. HD hyper threading. HD high density. HDD hard disk drive. IP stand for internet protocol. IPX internetwork packet exchange. IRC stand for internet relay chat. ICP internet cache protocol. IDE integrated development environment. Or integrated drive electronics. IE Internet Explorer. IGMP Internet Group Management Protocol. Internet Group Management Protocol. IMAP stand for Internet Message Access Protocol. IO Input Output. ICT Information and Communication Technology. IDL stand for Interface Definition Language. ISO stand for International Organization for Standardization. IT Information Technology. IBM International Business Machine. IC stand for Integrated Circuit. ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol. IHV Independent Hardware Vendor. IGRP Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. IMM Instant Messaging. IPC Internet Process Communication. IPP Internet Printing Protocol. IMAP IPsec Internet Protocol Security. IPTV Internet Protocol Television. IIOP Internet Inner Orb Protocol. IIS Internet Information Server. ITU International Telecommunication Union. ISOC Internet Society. ISP Internet Service Provider. ISR Interrupt Service Routine. ISP Independent Software Vendor. IRDA Infrared Data Association. IRP Input Output Request Packet. IRQ Interrupt Request. ISC Internet Storm Center. J2EE stand for Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2ME Java 2 Micro Edition. J2SE Java 2 Standard Edition. JSP Java Server Pages. JDK Java Development Kit. JUG Java User Group. JPEG Joint Photographic Expert Group. JRE Java Runtime Environment. environment. JS JavaScript. JSON JavaScript object notation. KB kilobit. kbps kilobit per second. KHz kilohertz. KB kilobyte. KVM kilo keyboard video mouse. LAN local area network. LED light emitting diode. LIFO last in first out. LSB least significant bit. MBR stand for master boot record. MIDI musical instrument digital interface. Digital interface. MMU memory management unit. MMX multimedia extension. MHZ megahertz. MPG motion picture expert group. MVS multiple vendor system. MPL Mozilla public license. MBCS multi-byte character set. MDI multiple document interface. MICR magnetic ink character recognition. MEN metropolitan area network. MANET stand for mobile ad hoc network. MANET stand for mobile ad hoc network. MB megabit. MB megabyte. MSB most significant bit. MNG multiple image network graphic. MOSFET metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. MIMO multiple input multiple output. MIPS million instruction per second. MIME multi-purpose internet mail extension. MS DOS Microsoft disk operating system. NIC network interface controller. NIO stand for new input output. NMI non maskable interrupt. Non maskable interrupt. NNTP stand for network news transfer protocol. NTP network time protocol. NOP no operation. NOS network operating system. NT Windows new technology. NTFS anti file system. New technology file system. NFS network file system. NVRAM non volatile random access memory. OCR optical character reader. OOP object oriented programming. OS operating system. OSS open source software. OPML outline processor markup language. PATA parallel ATA. PC DOS personal computer disk operating system. P2P peer to peer PPC power PC. PPI pixel per inch PLC power line communication programmable logic controller. PNP plug and play. PGA pin grid array. PC personal computer PCB printed circuit board. Triple P stand for point to point protocol. PPPoA triple P over ATM. Triple P 0E triple P over Ethernet. TP stand for point to point tunneling protocol. PN personal area network. PAP password authentication protocol. PCI peripheral component interconnect. PCI Express. PCL printer command language. PERL practical extraction and reporting language. PIO programmed input output. PSU power supply unit. PHP hypertext preprocessor, hypertext preprocessor, PIC peripheral interface controller, program interrupt controller. PINE program for internet news and email, PoE power over Ethernet, post power on self test, QDR quad data rate, OFRP quad flat package, OFP quick file access, QoS quality of service, RF radio frequency, RGB red green blue, RDF resource description framework, RAIT redundant array of inexpensive tapes, RAM random access memory, RARP reverse address resolution protocol, address resolution protocol, RWEAL recursive functions algorithm language, RTOS real time operating system, RIP routing information protocol, ROM read only memory, ROMB read out motherboard, RAD rapid application development, RADIUS remote authentication dial in user service, RAID redundant array of independent disk, RDBMS relational database management system, ROMDOS read only memory disk operating system, SAN storage area network, SATA serial ATA, SAX simple API of XML, SBP to serial bus protocol to SBU standard build unit, SVGA super video graphic array, FTP secure FTP simple file transfer protocol, SDL simple direct media layer, SDN service delivery network, SDR software defined radio, SMBIOS system management BIOS, SMTP simple mail transfer protocol, SP service pack, SHDSL single pair high speed digital subscriber, SPI serial peripheral interface, SQL structured query language, SCSI small computer system interface, SDRAM synchronous dynamic random access memory, SSUI SUS single Unix specification, SVD structured VLSI design, SVG scalable vector graphic, SIMD single instruction multiple data, SIMM single inline memory module, TB terabyte, TCP transmission control protocol, TCP IP transmission control protocol, internet protocol, TDMA time division multiple access, TTF true type font, TTL transistor logic, TMP temporary, TTA true tap audio, TTS text to speech, TTY teletype, UEFI unified extensible firmware interface, UI user interface, UPS uninterruptible power supply, URN uniform resource name, USB universal serial bus, UTF Unicode transformation format, URI uniform resource identifier, UTP unshielded twisted pair, UL upload, URL uniform resource locator, UAC user access control, UART universal asynchronous receiver transmitter, VAR variable, VB Visual Basic, VBA Visual Basic for application, VBS Visual Basic script, VFAT virtual FAT file allocation table, VFS virtual file system, VGA video graphic array, VT video terminal, VLAN virtual logic array area network, virtual logic area network, VM virtual machine, VOD video on demand, VoIP voice over internet protocol, VPN virtual private network, VPU visual processing unit, VGCT video graphic character table, WAN wide area network, WAP wireless access protocol, WWAN wireless wide area network, WWID worldwide identifier, WWW world wide web, WOL wake on LAN, Wi-Fi wireless fidelity, WINFS Windows Future Storage. Windows Future Storage. WSDL Web Service Description Language. Web Service Description Language. WINS Window Internet Naming System. WLAN Wireless Local Area Network. WMA Window Media Audio. WMV Window Media Video. WUSB Wireless Universal Serial Bus. WOM Wake on modem. WPA Wi-Fi protected access. XAML Extensible Application Markup Language. XHTML Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XSLIT Extensible Style Sheet Language Transformation. Extensible Style Sheet Language Transformation. XSL Extensible Style Sheet Language. XSLFO Extensible Style Sheet Language Formatting Object. Extensible Style Sheet Language Formatting Object. XUL XML User Interface Language. XMMS X Multimedia System. XML Extensible Markup Language. XNS Xerox Network Service. ZISC Zero Instruction Set Computer. ZIFS Zero Insertion Force Socket. ZMA Zone Multicast Address. दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, अगर ये आपकी यूज हो सकती है, तो कृपया कर मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए। धन्यवाद।